Good to be with you for another weekend. Hello, I hope you're doing well. This is Helpful Trader here. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you should know that I post my analysis every day and every week for my subscribers. Let's get started and let's see that about US 100 what happened. I told you in the week that we are in a downtrend, and I told you that if there is a breakout of this channel, it could be, bullish for some days. And I told you that there is a great place for supply, and which is about 12,000 for Nasdaq. At the same time, I want to show you, if you take a look at the diagram in daily way, you see that we are still in a downtrend and we are not in uptrend. And this is our trend line, which we could say if there is a breakout of this place, we could have, uptrend, but I think it is improbable. Why it is improbable? I am telling you something very important. That important thing is that uh, in July, in a Federal Reserve meeting, they are going to increase and they are going to have a raise for interest rates. And if they don't, make the market in the way that it should be bullish, bearish at the same time. So we couldn't have the market, and many investors are gonna have, lose their money, and they are more caring that, individual traders. So they try to make the market bullish for some days, that when they announce it in Federal Reserve that they are going to have raise for interest rates. So if it wants to be bearish, okay, it would be bearish, for example, up to these zones, maybe. Not, for example, if they wanted not to, if they wanted not to buy, so, US30 and US100 would be, for example, here. Now they are just making the market in the way that after revealing the news and after saying the economic indicator and about the interest rates, if it wants to be bearish, so they make a kind of balance in the market. All right. So I want to tell you that for indices and for cryptocurrency, I'm not hopeful up to end of inflation in the world, because as long as we are, in inflation situation, the market cannot be, bullish again. So let me complete what I said. I have determined 1, 2, 3 zones for you. One for this one I told you before, 12,500 and 13,000. About 13,000 is the 3 resistance it can have. And finally, the other resistance is the maybe 13,500. And this zone can be very, very important. And many sellers are waiting for US 100 here. Anyway, this was my analysis and I have done it for fun. Do not consider it as a piece of advice. Okay, the other one is US30, sorry. And for US30, we had somehow the same market, and they tried to have, bullish trend. I told you that we are in a downtrend channel and we are still in downtrend channel. This place is a very, very important part for us. About 31,000 to 32,000. All right, not this much, but maybe 32,000 is the great part. And there are many sellers here. They have provided this situation for, next days and next weeks up to Federal Reserve's meeting, that they might have, such this trend, and they need to make a balance in the market, if even if they want to have, bearish trend. I think the same, and it won't be, very bullish in the following days, and this is what I think. And at the same time, if you take a look at this market in daily, for daily, you say there is another trend line like this, and I guess it is very difficult for US30 to have a breakout of 34,500, and if it happens, so the US30 would be, bullish one more time, but I guess it won't happen, at least for the next week. About the gold, I told you in my daily analysis, and I have said everything. And what you can see for gold, if you take a look at gold in daily analysis, and from 2020, about 2 years ago, we can see we are in a kind of trading range, and big trading range. The trading range is about $400, but anyway, we are in a trading range, and it is moving, all right. And take a look at that in 4 hours. I said that I might expect to see these zones. We were close to see this zone yesterday, but we had just maybe $8 distance that was supported one more time. But I can see, I don't know, but I can see gold bearish for next week, and this is what I think. And for Bitcoin, okay, for gold, let me tell you, the next target would be 1720, and the other one would be 1685. Bitcoin, there are a lot of theories and just opinions about Bitcoin, and they say, hey, it was bullish one more time, and many people are happy, but it's not. Well, I told you that we are in a kind of triangle, I'm sorry, or maybe wedge, I don't know. You can say it was a wedge, or I don't know, triangle, no difference about names. And we had a breakout, all right, but you should see that this is made by the market maker. I promise it won't be bullish, and we cannot see, for example, 60,000, 70,000 like before. The price is moving like this, and they are correcting the price. Now it is broken. This line has been broken. But I want to tell you at the same time, it can make like a flag. It can make something like this. I'm not sure yet, but if you want to analyze, take this into consideration, that it could make something like a flag, okay? And I don't know. I'm not hopeful about Bitcoin. Let me change my line like the way I did that. Yes, it was my line. Anyway, but it is bullish right now. 22,500 is the next target, and if it wants to be, bullish, the next target could be 25,000, and maybe after 25,000, it might have, correction again toward these zones. But I don't think Bitcoin gets, bullish one more time. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. In this way, you can help me in my channel and send me a great positive energy. Thank you.